Welcome to Khetz Tutorials, and in this video, I'll be covering question 12 from 1.2 exercises in James Stewart calculus. So we're given an equation which represents a linear function which models the change in temperature since 1900. So it says recent studies indicate that the average surface temperature of the Earth has been rising steadily. Some scientists have modeled the temperature by the linear function. So this is the average surface temperature over time, and they continue to say that T is the temperature in degrees Celsius and T represents the years since 1900. So that's very important. First question says, what do the slope and t-intercept represent? So the slope would be this part here, 0.02. So that part represents the rate of change or the rate of increase. It's the gradient. So the rate of increase in surface temperature, right? And this would be the surface temperature at time 0. So if you substitute a 0 there, that means that you are in 1900. So T is the time since 1900. So at T of 0, you are exactly at 1900. That would only give you 8.50, which would be the t-intercept. That t-intercept represents the surface temperature in 1900. So that's the first question, question A. The second one says, use the equation to predict the average global surface temperature in 2100. So this is our equation, and T is the number of years since 1900. So we're now in this year, and we're going to find the number of years since, so this is our T, so that's how you calculate the T. So the number of years since 1900, that gives you 200 years. We're going to take this 200 years and now predict the average global surface temperature, 0.02. Then we're going to substitute that 200 there and leave everything else as it is. If you do this, this should give you the temperature. Remember that T is in degrees Celsius, so it's important to write your units.